Right, welcome back to the next video. Today we will see how to install the FMC and FTD on the EVE-NG. So first thing what you have to do is you have to take the SSH connection to your EVE-NG. So first I will look for my IP address on my EVE-NG. It's 150.1.7.180. So I will go ahead to my PuTTY now. And I will just increase the font from 10 to 14. Click on open. Right, so username is root and my password I have given as Eve. So now I am inside my Eve machine. So next I will go to my EVE-NG website for my documentation. Click on documentation, and you will click on how to, and you will go and click on Cisco Firepower. Yep, you see that Cisco Firepower 6.x image set. So now first I will install the FMC, and you can see that it is giving me NGIPS. No, yep, this is the one. It is asking me to make the directory, then it is asking me to transfer the file, and it is asking me to rename the file. So what I will do, I will just create a directory because I have the I have the file. So I will just copy this one, and when I'm pasting, my version number is 6.6, so I will go ahead and I will type 6.6. Now my directory has been created, so if I want to check, I will click on CD and I will copy this one and paste, and now I am inside this directory. Now I should transfer my file to this directory, to this particular folder. So I will use the FileZilla in this case, and I will go to the same 150.1.7.180. Username is root, password is Eve, port number is 22. And I will click on back, go to opt, go to UnitLab, go to add-ons, go to KMove, and now I should see my FMC 6.6. So this is where 6.6. In the previous video I said that when I double click this one, it will automatically transfer here. I will just do the double click and it is automatically getting transferred. So once the transfer has been finished, follow the steps, that is rename that file to the virtua.qcode. So renaming this file, that's the next step. I'm just waiting to this file to be get transferred. So what I will do, until then I will create one more directory that is for my FTD. This is Cisco Firepower Threat Defense. I will copy this one and I will paste it on here, but this time I'm using 6.5, so I will put on 6.5. And if I like, I can go to the directory directly from here, or I can check it on my FileZilla whether the directory has been created or not. You see that my file has been transferred. I will go back. For now I cannot see that FTD 6.5, right? I will just click on refresh, and now I got my FTD 6.5. I will just do a double click on here, and now if I go to my SSH connection, I am inside the Firepower FMC now. So I will click on ls, and now I am able to see my file. So our next step was to rename that file to virtua.qcode. Okay, so I will just copy that one. Be careful with this one, spelling mistakes. So what I will do, I will say move fmcv.qcode2 to virtua.qcode. Right, and enter. Now this time you should see it has been renamed. And I will do the same thing to go back. Just click on cd double dot, you are back. Now click on ls, you can see that FTD 6.5, copy that one and just type cd and paste it over here. You are inside that file now. You see that ftd.qcode. I will say the same thing, move ftdv.qcode to the same, it has been the same name, sorry, it's virtua.qcode. It's virtua.qcode, and now my files are good and fine. So one more thing, I think that's all good. So I will go to my new project, right click, click on nodes, and I will say that firepower, click on firepower. I have installed 6.5. You can see that 6.5 is there. You can see that 4 CPUs, 8 GB of RAM, and click on OK. I got that firepower. Next I will go ahead and check for my FMC. You see that I got FMC 6.6, which I have installed just now. Click on that one. It uses the same resources. Click on OK. Now my FMC has been installed. So this is how you will be installing your FMC and FTD in the EVE-NG. See you in the next video. Thank you.